How to edit your avatar on your Instagram account. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. First step guys is go into Instagram and opening it. As you see, it's home here. Go down and open your profile here, then go to edit profile and then go here on your avatar and click edit avatar, and now you will edit your avatar. For example, I will change the clothes or my body. For example, I don't know, I am fat, for example. I will change to this. Then when I finish, I click down and then click save change, like that, and then I will wait. So your avatar is being updated. Then I will click next, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful and helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next.